Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33 and let me show you how to change navigation. So whenever you wish to switch button navigation into gesture navigation, you have to reach settings. Then the quickest way is to enter in your search panel navigation. And now you can smoothly switch it between buttons to gestures by tapping. And from now on, you can use gestures, so slide up once to go back to your home screen, slide from left to right or from right to left by going back to go back, or you can slide up and hold your finger for a while to see recent apps. So that's it, that will be all. This is how you can apply gesture navigation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.